All right guys, so Tammy is all finished and she's set up looking glamorous. This is what your audience looks at.
She looks amazing, and now it's time to show it off. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do just that. It's a quick and easy 3-shot montage. Let's get started. Here's a look at the final results.
The first one we have is the front view, and we're gonna do it straight front and also tight cropped. So we are at about the shoulders and over our head. We have a nice light window in the background, but it's kind of shielded by the fabric, so it's not overpowering. But we have enough light using the soft boxes to light her in the front. So this look is perfect. And if you're by yourself, you wanna set a marker because you're gonna wanna know where the focus is. So we have the focus right there. And she's about 4.5 feet from the camera. So we want to mark this because if you're by yourself, you know where the focus is. So we're putting that on the floor so Tammy knows where she's at. Now we can hit record and know where we're going to be in focus. So along with Tammy, hey, we're just kind of moving around, and if we come back and we flip our hair, we know that this spot is where we're going to be focused. So we'll have her run through that a few times. Because I'm here, I can direct her a little bit. So let's do that. Just come on into the frame and come and look. Playing with the hair is perfect. Getting all sides of the face are important for this. All right, so let's talk about the side shot. It's side for a reason because we want to make sure Tammy, as the subject, is still looking forward at the original camera. Now, it's okay if we have some props in here. This is just really to move and help edit. It's just giving us another angle. All right, Tammy, go ahead. Flip your hair, look down over at the side. Zoom in a little bit and get a different angle. Awesome. So that's the second side camera. All right guys, the third shot involves having a friend. If you don't have that friend, no worry, it's okay. Those two shots can work together to make a great montage. But if you have somebody to hold the camera, then we're going to dismount and we're gonna just fly around her and get different shots as she's just staying put, but also just looking at the camera, posing, looking, playing with her hair. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna teach one little secret. We're gonna do something called lens whacking. Lens whacking is where we remove the lens, turn on the camera, and then hold the lens right over the hole, and it creates this cool bokeh effect, and it's really neat. Check it out.
Just a quick recap. Here's a look at the 3 shots that make up our montage.
I love it. Woo!
Nice. That's a wrap. I think that's pretty much all for today. I hope you like it. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. This is Jeff signing off.